Hello and welcome to Paparazzi. Today we are going to make a very popular item, vegetable momos. For vegetable momos you will need 250 grams of cabbage, 100 grams of green bell pepper, 40 grams of red onion, 4 to 5 green chilies, 20 gram ginger, 25 gram garlic, 40 grams of carrot and 75 grams of green onions. We are going to need 1.5 cup of refined flour to make dough, out of which we are going to make momos wrappers. So here we have all the chopped vegetables for momos: cabbage, capsicum, green chilies, carrots, onions, green onions, ginger, garlic, and I am going to use a pinch of Ajinomoto. It is completely optional, you can use or no. Prepare dough for momos with a little warm water and keep it covered for around 20 minutes with a damp cloth. Heat the oil in the wok, add garlic and ginger, add the chili paste and give it a stir. Add the onions, green onions, green chilies, carrots, capsicum, the cabbage, a little bit of soya sauce, and the salt, around 1 teaspoon. Give it a quick stir. And a pinch of Ajinomoto. Mix it well and take it off, because you don't have to cook it for too long, and let it cool down and become a little dry. Divide the dough into equal balls and roll them. Roll the dough into a round disc. Now we will fill it. So fold it at the edges like this. Similarly on the other side. Pinch it a little to close the ends, and this is the basic shape of momos. Now I am going to show you the next shape. Close the ends flat. And pinch them at the ends. And then all you have to do is lay it down and bring the ends together and pinch them together. So this is the easiest shape to make. So I have put the momos on steam in the steamer. So steam the momos for around half an hour. Now we are going to make the chutney that goes along with the momos. You will need around 200 gram tomato, 10 grams chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chili paste, 10 grams finely chopped onion and 2 green chilies. For momos chutney, heat the oil. Then first of all add the garlic. Then the onions and give it a stir. A little bit of chili paste, green chilies, and keep stirring. Add the tomato and green chili paste that we grinded. Add salt. A little bit of soya sauce, and you can add a dash of ketchup. Turn it off and let it cool down before you take it out in a bowl, and the chutney is ready to be served with momos. So here we have the vegetable momos with the chutney. If you like the recipe, hit the like button, press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel Paparazzi.